I hope you all are very good, and let me show you what we have created. So today I'm going to share the demo of the new PAN card application for the individuals residing in India. So this is about Form 93 that's newly updated, all right, and effective from April 2026, correct? So this form will be very easily fillable. So as you can see, all the form is ready. All you need to do is like enter the details, and very quickly I'm going to share it with you. So here, when you launch the form, it will ask the password first time, and I'll share the password. You'll have to just contact me at this number. All right. Um, and the moment you enter the password, sorry for that. Click on login, and then the form will be available to you, right? And here you can so these are the mandatory fields that will be available, uh, and you can fill up very quickly. Like these are the only fields that you can manage on the left side. On the right side, these are the default options, so we are not getting that much other details, right? But yeah, I have kept these options for your details, like if any non-resident came to you, or any person that's not in India that came to you, or the country code, like whenever we are entering the phone number, the country is different, so we can change it from here. Source of income, we can apply it from this drop down, so that's also given. Mostly it's no income what we are selecting. Or mother or father is a single parent, so that's also by default I have kept it as no. Name of the parent, so by default I kept father, but yeah, if you want mother's name, then you click on mother, and then this will be changing to mother's name. So yeah, once you click on yes, this will be on the left side you can see the father's name has changed to mother's name, right? And representative SSC, so if any minor or any person that requires representative SSC that we need to fill out. So the form will become little lengthy to fill up the representative SSC details. Like you see, the form is increased from the left hand side. All right, I am keeping not applicable for now. And address for communication. So residential is the mandatory. So once you click on it, and once you click office address, it will pop up. It will give you pop up like residential is mandatory, and it will allow you to enter the office address. But yeah, you need to first fill up the residence address, and then you can move to office address, right? So office address, the functionality is also given. AO code, sometimes we need to fill up the AO code. So AO code, area code, AO type, range code, that we can fill up from here, right? Place, you can keep it. By default I have kept it as Vadodara, but yeah, you may fill up whatever your city's name. It's given in the settings tab. So once you go to settings tab, you can change this place name as well. Date by default is appearing for today's date, right? Other functionalities that I have given is like clear reset application. So whenever you have filled up and then you determine like you need to start from the beginning, you don't need to go one by one and clear anything. You can clear from here, this button, right? It will clear all the defaults. All right, submit application will submit the application, and then you will be able to see the preview as well. View form, directly preview, and then once you come back here, then you can click on that button from where we initiated this form, and then you can submit. So it's like you just need to view, then this will be very helpful. You just need to print, then this will be helpful. All right, if you need to save it as a PDF, then this is button helpful. Another great functionality that we have provided is get previous details. So whatever applications you had filled up, and you just need to enter the Aadhaar number here, and then click on get previous details, and all those details, if it is available, will be popping up automatically, so you don't need to fill that details again and again. So that's a great functionality that we have given. All right, let me just show it to you. So I'll just go to database, but I guess nothing is there. But yeah, one application I found with in which the middle name, let's say test middle, last name or something, mail, okay, DOB, we can enter 12 12 20 20, okay, and then name on Aadhaar is like test name one, okay. So let's say these are the details that I have given. I'll just copy this and then I'll just open this application. So once you are in the system, it will not ask you to enter, but just you need to click on login, and then you'll have to enter the other number and click on this get previous details, and it will pop up all the details that you had submitted previously. So you don't need to type it again and again. Okay, so if person comes to you and it asks like what is like if they want to fill up the same form, you can utilize this form as well. All right, so click on OK, and then click on view form. View form will allow you to view the form, how it looks like, okay, and then it will store the database as well. So database also is there, so you can use this database to store, and then you can do marketing and other stuff as well. You can see it's populating the details perfectly fine. All right, those details will appear by default, okay, because we have selected the by default option over here. Cool, let's go back to home and then let's take a look at it. So we just viewed that form, so that's how this details appeared. All right, if by mistake we click on it, then it will ask you like, hey, this will clear the data, are you sure you want to exit? Then we can click on yes or no. Okay, I want to click no, I'll just utilize this form. So let's say Ajay, and then Bharat Kumar, and Ajay is there, okay, and then the date of birth is like 0101202000, sorry, and then this I'm keeping it unique so that we can see if the record is getting saved or not. So same record will not be saved again, but yeah, I'm keeping it unique so that it will be updated, and then ABC Road, and then post office is like, for example, uh, Goria Road, right? And then Vadodara. Once you click on tab, then the cursor will move on to the next field. So that's also functionality. Gujarat. Mobile number is there, like this is a fake number. Okay, so not an issue. But yeah, let's see. 098250, right? Email address like test@test.com. All right, and then the main thing is like whenever you want to type additional fields, it will not allow. Okay, and then whenever you'll try with the one in the other, so it will give you a pop-up saying that invalid other number, it's gonna start with 0 or 1. Okay, so that's also given. So by mistake, if you type it, then it will make necessary corrections. And then the mobile number should be like, it should not accept the um, other functionality. So once you click on it, it will ask you that, hey, this is not allowed. Anyway, this is 10-digit number only, so it doesn't matter. Correct. So yeah, our form, how it looks like. Let's see, let's take a look at it. Date of birth has appeared perfectly fine. Okay, and then the other number is also ABC Road or Korea Road, Vadodara has come perfectly fine. Okay, and then resident is selected automatically. Phone number, we have entered ABC at the end, but yeah, that doesn't matter because it was at the end, all right? And then father's name, father is selected automatically. Nice functionalities we have given, so you can fill up the form very quickly. And then it was this view, so all the records will be saved, and then you can click on submit button. And yes, so let me show you before it's actually say like simultaneously it will be saving, and then it will be showing you the preview as well, how your data looks like, right? You just need to um, attach the photograph and then signature, all right, and then your uh, form is ready. Cool. So nice functionalities have been given. um, yep, that's it. I hope you liked the video. In order to purchase this one, I kept it very minimal price, 249 rupees only, all right? So you can get the benefit of it, and then let me know how you feel about it, all right? So thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.